Alright, so of all the vehicles you could hit while being a distracted driver, running into a police car is probably not a great choice. All in all, though, nobody was hit directly. Everybody involved was inside a vehicle, so the enclosure protected people from any more serious injuries. It did look like they had to remove somebody from the passenger side of that squad car and bring them to the hospital. I don't know what's going on with this person here. I don't know. Maybe there's a news chopper up ahead and she knows she's being filmed. Does a little dance for it.